Okay, this is the introduction for lab number 12. I'm going to be taking a look at electromagnets. Essentially, an electromagnet, all that it really is going to be some coils wrapped around usually a metal core. So you're going to open up this link right here, and what we can do is we can mess around with the number of coils, and we can mess around with the voltage. And all I'm going to have you do is to keep the voltage at 50 volts and mess around with the number of windings, number of coils. So you pop open the simulation right here, and what you can do is you can mess around with the number of windings right here, and you can mess around with the voltage right here. So it's at 25, so go ahead and record 25 windings, and then just go ahead and increase that up to, let's just say, 50 windings. And record the number of iron filings that it picked up, and they were initially 500. The reason I know that is because if I turn the voltage down to 0, I have 500 windings. And just go ahead and vary the number of windings as you keep the voltage constant. So maybe you want to make this 75, and just kind of count the number of files remaining. And that's kind of the first part of the lab, so you're just going to fill this table out right here. Then we're going to go to the second part and see how voltage affects how much we can pick up. So what we can kind of do is we can set the number of coils to 25, and then we can just mess around with the voltage. So I'm just going to go back to the simulation. I'm just going to kind of reset it. And so it's going to pop back to 25 windings and 50 volts. And all I have you do is just go ahead and record 50 volts. Go ahead and try 25 volts if you will. Go ahead and try 0 volts, work your way up and try just several different voltages, fill this table out, and see which ones seem to affect the strength of the electromagnet more. The strength is kind of how many filings it picked up. The stronger it is, the more filings it will pick up.